Hello everyone and welcome to a quick PowerPoint tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to check your PowerPoint version. This is actually quite simple. To do this, I first open PowerPoint and here I have a standard presentation. It doesn't really matter where you are because we just have to click on the File tab and go to Account. On the right, under About PowerPoint, I can already find initial information about my version. Here I see the version 2406 and this build number. If I want more information, I can click on the About PowerPoint button and can now see all the information about my license and version up here. For example, I'm using Microsoft 365 version 2406, this build, and that's all you need to know if you need to forward your version to the support, for example. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!